Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet a very beautiful mug rug, which is very easy to make. I am using a 4.5mm crochet hook and a thick yarn, which is 3 ply. First of all, we would make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4. After making 4 chains, we would make a slip stitch into the first chain. A ring of chain is made. Now make 3 chains. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook. Go into the ring and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Chain 3 will also be counted as a double crochet. Now make double crochet 2 into this ring of chain. Then make double crochet 3 into the ring of chain, including first 3 chains, fourth one. Then make a double crochet 5th into this ring of chain. Complete 14 double crochet stitches in this way. And after that, make a slip stitch into the third chain. Now make chain 1 into the same third chain, make a single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2. This is a single crochet stitch. Now into the very next double crochet stitch after chain 3, make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2. Into the next stitch, make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2. Then into the next stitch, make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2. In this way we would make single crochet 2 times in each stitch till the end. Now make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch of this round. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet here also. Now this is our simple stitch. Go into the next single crochet stitch and this is our increasing stitch. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same single crochet stitch. Then into the third single crochet here we would make 1 double crochet like this. Then into the fourth single crochet stitch we would make 2 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1 and then into the same stitch double crochet 2. Then into the next stitch make 1 double crochet and then into the next one we would make 2 double crochet stitches, and in this way we would proceed this round till the end. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. Make chain 1, make a single crochet into the same chain 3, then make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch, and into the third stitch here make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into the same stitch. So this pattern is the same as round circle of simple double crochet stitches, but in this one I have included single crochet rounds with double crochet stitches rounds. So make 2 single crochet stitches in the next stitches and then make 2 single crochet stitches into the third one, because every third stitch is our increasing stitch. So repeat this pattern till the end and complete single crochet stitches. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and make a double crochet into the next single crochet stitch, make another double crochet into the same stitch, then make third double crochet stitch into the same stitch and then fourth. So total of 5 including first 3 chains. Now this is called a popcorn stitch, pulling the yarn through chain 3. Now make chain 1, skip 1 chain, 1 stitch and then into the next stitch we would make popcorn again. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and then double crochet 5 like this. Pull this yarn, remove the hook, go into the very first stitch and then pull this loop through first stitch to make a popcorn stitch like this. Make chain 1 again, skip 1 stitch, go into the second one and make 5 double crochet stitches into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, then 4 and the last one is 5. Now pull this yarn, go into the first stitch, take this loop back on the hook and pull it through first stitch. In this way make these popcorn stitches till the end and then we would make a slip stitch at the top of this popcorn stitch after making chain 1. Now pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and then remove the extra yarn strand. Now weave this yarn end at the back side with the help of needle. So I have woven the yarn end and our mug rug is ready. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.